Packing for a trip can feel like a puzzle. Did you know that the average traveler packs 20% more than they need? It's true. According to a survey by TripAdvisor, most people only use about 60% of what they pack. Shocking, right? Efficient packing isn't just about cramming everything into your suitcase. It's about smart strategies that save space, time, and stress. Imagine breezing through airport security without the hassle of overweight luggage. Or having everything you need right at your fingertips, neatly organized. In this video, we'll reveal 6 genius strategies for packing smarter. We'll share space-saving secrets, tips for packing for any climate, and clever ways to bring your tech and beauty essentials without the bulk. Plus, we'll show you how to pack snacks like a pro and leave room for those must-have souvenirs. Stay tuned to transform your packing game. Get ready to travel light, organized, and stress-free. Let's dive in and discover the art of efficient travel packing. Chapter 1. Space Saver Secrets. Maximizing every inch. Packing for a trip can be daunting, especially when space is tight. Let's dive into some clever techniques to make the most out of every inch of your suitcase. First up, vacuum-sealed bags. These are a game changer for saving space. Just put your clothes in the bag, seal it, and roll out the air. You'll be amazed at how much space you save. Did you know that rolling clothes is better than folding them? Rolling not only saves space but also reduces wrinkles. It's a win-win. Packing cubes are another fantastic tool. They keep your items organized and compact. Use different cubes for tops, bottoms, and accessories. It makes finding things so much easier. Ever heard of the bundle wrapping method? It's a bit like a puzzle. You start with the largest items and wrap smaller items around them. This method minimizes wrinkles and saves space. Consider multifunctional clothing. A scarf that can double as a blanket or a dress that can be styled multiple ways. This cuts down on the number of items you need to pack. Here's a cool fact. According to a study by the Journal of Consumer Research, people use only 30% of the clothes they pack. So, pack smarter by planning outfits in advance. Shoes take up a lot of space. Fill them with socks, underwear, or small items. This way, no space goes to waste. Use a travel-sized toiletries kit. It's compact and meets airline regulations. Plus, it saves you from carrying full-sized bottles. Another tip: wear your bulkiest items on the plane. Jackets, boots, and hats can take up a lot of space. Wearing them frees up room in your suitcase. When it comes to electronics, pack only what you need. Chargers, adapters, and devices can add weight. Consider a multi-port USB charger to keep things light. Compression packing cubes are excellent for saving space. They work like vacuum-sealed bags but are more convenient for quick access. And don't forget about the personal item. Most airlines allow a carry-on and a personal item. Use a backpack to carry extra essentials without extra fees. Remember, the goal is to maximize space without overpacking. These strategies will help you pack efficiently and travel smoothly. Chapter 2. Weather-wise wardrobe. Packing for all climates. Packing for different climates can be tricky. But with a bit of planning, you can be ready for anything. Let's explore some smart strategies for packing a weather-wise wardrobe. Start with layering. Layers are key to adapting to changing weather. Pack light, breathable layers for warmth without bulk. Did you know merino wool is perfect for travel? It's lightweight, moisture-wicking, and odor-resistant. Great for both warm and cool climates. Choose versatile clothing. A shirt that works for both a hike and a dinner out. Or pants that convert to shorts. This saves space and adds flexibility. Check the weather forecast before you pack. It sounds obvious, but it can save you from packing unnecessary items. Invest in a good, packable rain jacket. It's lightweight and takes up minimal space. Plus, it's a lifesaver in unexpected downpours. Here's a tip: pack a foldable, wide-brimmed hat. It protects you from the sun and can be easily packed flat. Footwear is crucial. Pack shoes that are versatile and comfortable. Think hiking shoes that look good enough for casual wear. A travel umbrella can be a smart addition. Choose a compact one that fits easily in your bag. It's better to be safe than sorry. Convertible clothing is a traveler's best friend. Dresses that can be worn as skirts or pants that turn into shorts are incredibly handy. Pack a lightweight, compact scarf. It can keep you warm, cover your head, or serve as a blanket. Super versatile. Remember, synthetic fabrics dry faster than cotton. This is useful for rainy days or when you need to wash clothes on the go. Don't forget about accessories. Sunglasses, a hat, and gloves can make a big difference in comfort. And they don't take up much space. Finally, keep it simple. You don't need a huge wardrobe for every situation. With the right pieces, you can mix and match to handle any climate. Packing for different climates doesn't have to be stressful. With these tips, you'll be ready for whatever weather comes your way. Chapter 3. Tech Traveler Tips. Gear without the bulk. Traveling with tech can be tricky, but with the right strategies, you can stay connected without overloading your bag. Let's dive into some smart packing tips for your gadgets. First off, prioritize your devices. Do you really need a laptop, tablet, and e-reader? Try to choose one multifunctional device that meets your needs. Did you know that 80% of travelers use their smartphones for everything from navigation to booking accommodations? A smartphone can often replace several gadgets. Invest in a lightweight, portable charger. Running out of battery can be a hassle, especially when you rely on your phone for maps and communication. Cables can quickly become a tangled mess. Use a cable organizer to keep them neat and accessible. It saves time and frustration. Consider a universal adapter. It's compact and works in multiple countries, so you won't need a separate adapter for each destination. A multi-port USB charger can be a lifesaver. Charge multiple devices at once without carrying several bulky chargers. For those who love photography, a compact camera or smartphone with a good camera can reduce the need for bulky equipment. Many smartphones now rival traditional cameras in quality. Keep your tech safe with a padded case. It protects your devices from bumps and drops during travel. Digital nomads, consider a foldable Bluetooth keyboard. It's light and compact, making it easy to work on the go. Here's a fun fact. According to a survey by Booking.com, 70% of travelers consider free Wi-Fi a top priority when choosing accommodations. Staying connected is clearly important. Back up your data before you leave. Use cloud storage to ensure your important files are safe in case your device is lost or stolen. Noise-canceling headphones are great for long flights. They help you rest and enjoy entertainment without the background noise. Remember to download offline maps and entertainment. This way, you can navigate and stay entertained even without internet access. If you're a book lover, consider an e-reader. It's lightweight and can hold hundreds of books, perfect for avid readers. Secure your tech with strong passwords and enable tracking features. If your device is lost or stolen, these measures can help protect your data and possibly recover your device. Tech can enhance your travel experience, but it doesn't have to weigh you down. With these tips, you can travel smart and stay connected. Chapter 4. Essential Edibles. Packing snacks and meals. Packing snacks and meals for your trip can save money and ensure you eat healthy. Let's explore some strategies to pack nutritious, travel-friendly food. Start with non-perishable items. Nuts, dried fruits, and granola bars are excellent choices. They're healthy, filling, and don't require refrigeration. Did you know that the TSA allows solid foods in both carry-on and checked bags? This includes sandwiches, fruits, and veggies. Just avoid liquids and gels over 3.4 ounces. Use collapsible containers for meals. They save space in your bag and can be used for leftovers or snacks along the way. Packing a reusable water bottle is a must. Most airports have refill stations, so you can stay hydrated without buying bottled water. Consider single-serving nut butter packs. They're convenient and pair well with apples or crackers for a quick snack. For longer trips, a small, insulated lunch bag can keep perishable items fresh. Just add a reusable ice pack, and you're set. Pre-pack salads in mason jars. Layer the ingredients to keep them fresh, and bring the dressing in a separate container to avoid sogginess. Protein bars are great for a quick energy boost. Look for options with natural ingredients and minimal added sugars. Here's a unique idea. Pack a DIY trail mix with your favorite nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a touch of chocolate for a sweet treat. Instant oatmeal packets are perfect for breakfast on the go. Just add hot water, and you have a nutritious meal in minutes. Did you know that 48% of travelers prefer bringing their own snacks to avoid unhealthy airport food? Packing your own ensures you have healthier options. Use silicone bags instead of plastic ones. They're eco-friendly, reusable, and great for storing snacks. Packing utensils is smart. A reusable fork, knife, and spoon set ensures you can enjoy your meals without relying on disposable cutlery. Consider dehydrated meals for camping or long hikes. They're lightweight and just need hot water to prepare. Finally, pack some comfort foods. A favorite snack can be a nice pick-me-up during your travels. Packing your own snacks and meals not only saves money but also ensures you eat healthier. With these tips, you'll be prepared for any culinary craving on the go. Chapter 5. Beauty on the go. Compact toiletries and skincare. Traveling light doesn't mean you have to skimp on your beauty routine. Let's explore some effective strategies to pack compact toiletries and skincare essentials. First, transfer your favorite products into travel-sized containers. TSA regulations allow liquids in containers of 3.4 ounces or less in carry-on luggage. Did you know solid toiletries are a great option? Solid shampoo, conditioner, and even moisturizers are spill-proof and space-saving. Multi-purpose products can simplify your packing. A tinted moisturizer with SPF, for instance, serves as a sunscreen, foundation, and moisturizer in one. Consider using sample-sized products. They're perfect for short trips and help you try new items without committing to full sizes. A silicone travel bottle set is an excellent investment. These bottles are leak-proof, reusable, and often come with labels to keep you organized. Did you know that 64% of travelers experience skin issues due to changes in climate and water? Pack hydrating and soothing products to keep your skin healthy. A compact toiletry bag with multiple compartments can keep your items organized and easily accessible. Don't forget about reusable makeup remover pads. They're eco-friendly, space-saving, and work well with any cleanser you pack. Here's a unique tip. Pack a sheet mask or two. They're lightweight, hydrating, and great for a quick skincare boost after a long flight. Opt for a travel toothbrush that folds or comes with a cover. It keeps your toothbrush clean and reduces bulk. According to a study by Statista, 85% of travelers bring their own toiletries rather than relying on hotel offerings. This ensures you have the products you trust. Pack a mini first aid kit. Include Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and any prescription medications. It's better to be prepared for minor mishaps. Use a clear, resealable plastic bag for your liquids. This not only complies with TSA rules but also makes security checks quicker. If you use styling tools, consider travel-sized versions. Mini hair dryers, straighteners, and curling irons save space and weight. Finally, don't forget the sunscreen. Choose a travel-sized bottle or stick to protect your skin from sun damage, regardless of your destination. With these tips, you can maintain your beauty routine without overloading your suitcase. Compact and efficient packing ensures you stay fresh and fabulous on the go. Chapter 6. Souvenir space. Leaving room for memories. Bringing back souvenirs is a delightful part of travel, but finding space for them can be challenging. Let's dive into some smart strategies to leave room for your travel treasures. First, pack with extra space in mind. Start your trip with some empty space or a partially filled bag to accommodate souvenirs. Use expandable luggage. Many suitcases come with an expandable section that can give you up to 25% more packing space when needed. Here's a neat trick. Pack a lightweight, foldable tote or duffel bag. It takes up minimal space initially but can be used to carry souvenirs on your return trip. Wrap fragile items in clothing. This not only saves space but also protects delicate souvenirs from breaking during transit. Consider shipping larger items home. Many countries have reliable postal services, and it can be more convenient than trying to fit everything in your luggage. Did you know that 42% of travelers regret not having enough space for souvenirs? Plan ahead to avoid this common travel woe. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes can create more space and accommodate additional items, like souvenirs, more easily. Buy souvenirs that are lightweight and small. Think of jewelry, scarves, or small local crafts. They pack easily and make lovely mementos. Consider digital souvenirs. Photos, videos, and digital art can be just as memorable without taking up any physical space. Did you know that vacuum-sealed bags can be used for dirty laundry? Compressing your worn clothes can free up space for souvenirs. Another tip is to consume souvenirs on the go. Local snacks and delicacies make great gifts and can be enjoyed before returning home, freeing up space in your bag. Use shoe space wisely. Shoes can be filled with small souvenirs to maximize packing efficiency. When buying souvenirs, ask the seller for sturdy packaging. This can protect your items and make packing them easier. Pack dual-purpose items. For example, a beautifully crafted local blanket can serve as a cozy travel wrap and a memorable souvenir. Finally, don't stress about perfection. Souvenirs are meant to remind you of your travels. Even if you don't have room for everything, the memories will always be with you. With these strategies, you can bring home wonderful souvenirs without worrying about space. Happy travels and happy packing!